Good morning, students. As you know, we have completed chapter number 3. So just today, let me take the quick revision of each of the topic and everything. So let me see which topic we have learned in this chapter. So in this chapter, we have learned first that is a definition of the matrix, and then order of the matrix, that is m cross n. Now you know this all. M defines the row of the matrix and n is column of the matrix. Then we have seen the types of the matrix. In the type of the matrix, we have seen the diagonal matrix, then zero matrix, that is a null, then null matrix. Then we have seen the identity matrix. Okay, like this. So we have seen so many types: row matrix, column matrix. So this all type we have seen the type of the matrices. Then we have seen the formation of the matrix when Aij is given. Now till this we have seen some few topics only, and after this all are topic where we have a questions based on it. So today I am going to discuss with you few questions which is based on the topic. So let me see few question on it. Let me see the first question. Now students, the first question I am going to discuss, that is, if a matrix has a 28 element, then what are the possible orders it can have? Now this type of question we have seen. So let me just recall how to find out. So 28 element. So 28 can be written as a different way. That is a 28 ones are. Okay, similarly 1 into 28. Okay, then 14 twos are. Then 2 into 14. So this all order where we can write down this 24 as then 7 fours are, then 4 sevens are. If there is anything is required, then that also you can write down. Okay, if anything is remaining. So these all are the possible orders of the matrix when total elements are 28. That is 28 by 1, 1 by 28, 24 by 2, 2 by 24, 7 by 4 and 4 by 7. You can find out if there is any remaining or there, then you can find out that also. Now second question is question number 2. Now the second question is in a matrix A, then write down the order of the matrix, second number of elements, and third elements which is defined here, given here. So now you all know that very well that how to write down the order. Order means number of row by number of column. So here how many rows are there? 3 and 3 column. So 3 by 3. And so this is a quick revision. So I want to cover up the topic. Okay, all the topics I want to cover. So that's why I present a question which is included in all the types here. Then number of elements. So how many number of elements are there? You can count or you can multiply. The order 3 3s are 9. Then A13. Now what is the element? What A13? Students, this type of question can be asked as an objective. And in the matrix, write down the element A23. So what we have to do? Find out the element of A23. So A23 means second row and third row. Here A13, so first row and third column. So element is X. Now A21, that means second row and first column. So element is 2. And A32, that means third row and second column. And element is under root 5. So this is your answer, student. Easy question, but we have to see like this. As an each and every question we have to see. Now the third question, which is based on the formation of the matrix. So let me see that. Now the third question is construct a 2 by 2 matrix if Aij is equals to 1 minus 2i plus j. Now if this type of question is given, then you know, students, how to construct the matrix A. A can be written as 2 by 2. So 2 by 2 I write here A11, A12. Then A21, A22. आपको ये order याद रखना है. Now you should substitute the value in there. So now at this level we can do directly also, but first का मैं आपको calculation दिखा रही हूँ यहाँ पे, and second we will write directly. 1. A1 2. So how you write down 1 minus 2 1 plus j, that is 2. I and j, this is I, this is j. So 1 minus 2 into 2 plus j. 1 minus 2 into 2 plus j, that is 2. Right, so like this we have it done. Now just separate the multiplier. 1 plus 1 2, 2 minus 2 0. Then it is 3 minus 2 1. 2 minus 4 minus 2 and 3 minus 4 so minus 1. So this is your answer student. जो आपको given है AIQ उसके according आपको find करना है. If there is a 3 by 2 matrix, if they have given you 3 by 2, then your matrix will be A11, A12, right? Then second row A21 and A22 because we require 2 columns. Then A31 and A32 like this, and then you calculate everything. So you will find out the solution. Now let me see the one more question student. So let me see the question number 4, which is based on the equality of the matrix. Where after a formation is given, after that equality is also we have written, then how to find out the equal. So let me see that question. So in this question student, we have to find out A and B, where A is equals to B, where A and B is given. Now if A is equals to B, so this means that each and every corresponding element are equal. So आपका जो A11 है, that is A plus 4, and B11 is 2A plus 2 is equal. Then B square plus 2 is same as 3B. Then 8 is equals to 8, no need to compare. And B square minus 5B is equals to minus 6. Now when you will solve these equations, you will find the value of A and B from the first, second, and this one will multiply this third one. So I should write down from 1. So from 1, A plus 4 is equals to 2A plus 2. That means 2A minus A is equals to 4 minus 2, that is 2. So A is equals to 2. We have found A is equals to 2. Now compare from second and third, we have to find the value of B. And student, it must be equal. अगर equal नहीं आ रहा है तो आपका solution नहीं होगा. So that's why we are taking from 2. B square plus 2 is equals to 3B. So from here, B square minus 3B plus 2 is equals to 0. So when you solve this one, so your solution is B minus 2 and B minus 1. So B is equals to 2 and B is equals to 1. So there are solutions for B. There are two solutions. B is equals to 2 and 1. So let me see from 3 what we are getting. As we getting the same solution or different? That is the main equation. 5B plus 6 is equals to 0. Now you solve this equation students. So you will get here solution as a B minus 3 and B minus 2. So here you are having B is equals to 3 and B is equals to 2. So what can be your solutions? Your solution must be the which satisfy by both the equation. मतलब B is equals to 2. So therefore B is equals to 2. The common solution is this. So therefore A is equals to 2 and B is equals to 2. That is our solution. Okay. So this is the equation based on equality. After this, we are taking one more question, which is based on addition and subtraction. Now students, this question we have 2, 4, 3, 5 and find A square plus 5A minus 3I. You know that in this question we will share the addition, subtraction, multiplication, all the things. So that's why I have taken one question like this. So let me find out first A square. A square means students A into A. So here you have 2, 4, 3, 5 into 2, 4, 3, 5. Now when you can multiply it, you know how to multiply now. So this is first row, first column, 2 2s are 4 and 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 8, 5 4s are 20, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6 and 5 3s are 15, then 3 4s are 12 and 5 5s are 25. So now this is the multiplication. We have 12 plus 4 16, 15 plus 6, 21, 28 and 37. So this is you have from a square. Now what we have to find? A square plus 5a minus 3a. So a square, that is a 16, 28, 21, 37 plus 5 into a. So you have to multiply the matrix A by 5. So 5 2s are 10, 5 4s are 20, 5 3s are 15 and 5 5s are 25 minus 3i. So here I have 3 0 0 3. We have to multiply our identity matrix. As this is a 2 by 2 matrix, your identity matrix is 2 by 2, 1 0 0 1. And it you have to multiply with 3. So like this. Now apply the addition and subtraction. So addition means corresponding element you have to add, and subtraction means the corresponding element you have to subtract. So 10, 16 plus 10 minus 3. 28 plus 20 minus 0. 21 plus 15 minus 0. 37 plus 25 minus 3. And your answer is 26 minus 3, so 23. Here 28 and 20, that is 48. 21 and 15, that is a 36. And here you have a 37 plus 22, right? So it is a 59. Okay, it is actually 62 minus 3, so 59, correct. So this is you have the answer a square minus 5 plus 5a minus 3a. So this is the equation based on the addition and the subtraction. Now next equation we will see, that is a depend on the transpose of the matrix. So now let me see how to do that question. Now the next equation is based on transpose of the matrix. So let me see, the question is A is a skew symmetric matrix, then find the value of A, B, C. Now students, you know that what is a symmetric? If A transpose is equals to A. What is a skew symmetric? A transpose is equals to minus A. So now the question is A is a skew symmetric matrix, then find the value of A dash A, B, C. So here A transpose is equals to minus A. Reason, A is a skew symmetric matrix. So now A is equal to this. So now what we have, A transpose is equals to, find out A transpose. So 0 A 3. 0 A 3 is in row, I have written a column. 2 B minus 1, the second row I have written a second column. C 1 and 0 is equals to minus A. So I am multiplying A with minus. So 0 0 minus A minus 3 minus 2 minus B and 1 minus C minus 1 and 0. Now we have to find out the value of A, B, C. So now compare. So by comparing you will get 2 is equals to minus A, that means A is equals to minus 2. Or here you can compare A is equals to minus 2. Second, B is equals to minus B. So that means B is equals to 0. And C, that is system here. 3 is equals to minus C and C is equals to minus 3. So here you have C is equals to minus 3. So this is the solution student. Easy equation है, पर ध्यान रखना होगा, एग्जाम में कभी कभी भूल जाते हैं कि कैसे सॉल्व करें. So when the matrix is skew symmetric matrix, find the value of A, B, C. So use the property and then find out. Now let me see the next equation, which is based on find the value of x when x is given, whenever multiplication is given. तो ऐसा एक और क्वेश्चन देख लेते हैं. Actually in the last class, last to last video, I have seen that question, explain that question which is based on find x and principle of mathematical induction. That is also we have seen 2-3 question. So please see that question again. वो मैं अभी डिस्कस नहीं कर रही हूँ. Now on this question, because वहाँ पे आपको उसका order find करना है. So let me see that question. How to find out the x? So here and taking the question number 6 as question number 6. Find A such that the matrix 2 minus 1, 1 0 and 3 minus 3 and 4 into A is equals to minus 1 minus 8 minus 10, 1 minus 2 minus 5 and 9, 22, 15. So student, this is the question you are having. Now you have to find out the matrix A. तो A फाइंड करने से पहले आपको A का ऑर्डर निकालना होगा कि A का ऑर्डर क्या हो सकता है. So here you have a matrix which is of order 3 cross 2. Here m cross n and your product is 3 cross 3. Now I always repeated this sentence so many times. Number of column and number of row is equal. So n is equals to 2 and answer is this one, 3 cross n. So from this n is equals to, therefore A is of matrix 2 by 3. तो आपको लिखना है 2 row and 3 column. So you write down A, B, C, D, E, F. So this is your matrix A. Now when you want to find out, तो आपको करना क्या है? This matrix into A is equals to, so you can find out the solution. So let me see this question. So here 2 minus 1, 1 0 minus 3 4 into A, B, C, D, E, F is equals to minus 1 minus 8 minus 10, 1 minus 2 minus 5, 9, 22 and 15. So this will give you, now apply the multiplication, first row and first column, so 2A minus E. Then first row and second column, so is 2B minus E. Similarly 2C minus F. Now second row is 1 0 and when you multiply, so 1 into A plus 0, 1 into B plus 0. So second row is A, B, C. Third row minus 3A plus 4D. Minus 3A plus 4D. So minus dot over here, the B and E will change. So minus 3D plus 4E. Minus 3C plus 4F. Which you can compare with the matrix minus 1 minus 8 minus 10, 1 minus 2 minus 5, 9, 22 and 15. So now let me compare the students. So here I am removing the second part this much. You will note down this all things in your notebook. Here we have, by the comparison, when you compare it, you can see the second row is ABC. So आपको ABC directly मिलेगा. So we have A is equals to 1, B is equals to minus 2 and C is equals to minus 5. Now as we have two equations, any one you can use, the first row or the third row. So I am using the first row. Now 2A minus B is equals to minus 1. So D is equals to 2A plus 1. So 2 into 1 that is 2 plus 1 that is equals to 3. So D is equals to 3. Second is 2B minus E is equals to minus 2. So E is equals to 2B plus 2. B is equals to minus 2, so minus 4 plus 2, so it is minus 2. And 2C minus F is equals to third, there is a minus 10. It is wrong here, minus 8. So this is plus 8. So answer is plus 4. Now 2C minus F is equals to minus 10. So F is equals to 2C plus 10. C is equals to we have minus 5. So let me apply the value 2 into minus 5 plus 10. So your answer is 10. So F is equal to 0. So F is equals to 0. So this is the third type of the question, students. So you can see